Numbers and patterns. Now we are going to identify factors. Consider number 12. 12 we can divide using different kind of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12 because those numbers will divide exactly into 12 without a remainder. The number 12 may be expressed as the product of two factors in different way. 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors of 12. Here you can see factors of different number. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. The factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. The factors of 25 are 1, 5, 25. As well as the factors of 100 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. All numbers can divide by 1 and that number. Here you can clearly identify all numbers can divide by 1 and that number. Now we are going to identify multiples. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 are multiples of 2 because those numbers that 2 divide into exactly. We can take multiples as first multiple, second multiple, third multiple, 10th multiple as well as 20th multiple. Like this we can take lot of multiples for a number. For the number 5 we can take multiples. First multiple of 5 is 5. Second multiple of 5 is 10. Third multiple of 5 is 15. As well as 10th multiple of 5 is 50. 20th multiple of 5 is 100. Like this we can take lot of multiples for a number. We are going to identify prime numbers. Some numbers can be expressed as the product of two different factors in one way only. As examples, 5. 5 we can express as 1 times 5 as well as 3. 3 times 1. They have only two factors. Those numbers called as prime numbers. In this table you can see some factors of several numbers. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. As well as you can see the factors of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. From this table you can identify prime numbers. In this table you can see some numbers have two factors only. As examples, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 has only two factors. So 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 are prime numbers. If you want to find any number is a prime number or not, you should find the factors of that number. Index numbers. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. There is an accepted shortened way of writing 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. We read this as 2 to the power 5. The 5 is called the index. Numbers to the power 2 are called as square numbers. As examples, 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2, 4 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, 100 to the power 2 are square numbers. Numbers to the power 3 are called as cube numbers. 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3, 4 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3, 100 to the power 3. They called as cube numbers. Product of prime numbers. We can write numbers as product of prime numbers. As example, 4 we can write as 2 times 2. 2 is a prime number. 6 we can write as 2 times 3. 8, 2 times 2 times 2. 15 we can write as 3 times 5. 20, 2 times 2 times 5. 100 we can write as 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Like this, we can write numbers as product of prime numbers. Common multiples. A common multiple is a number of two or more numbers. The least common multiple, LMC, of two numbers is the smallest number that the number divides into exactly. Now we are going to find common multiples. Consider 6 and 10. We are going to find a common multiple for 6 and 10. To find common multiples, first we should write all the multiples of the numbers. Not all the numbers, enough numbers of multiples we should write. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. Like this we can write lot of multiples for 6. As well as we have found multiples of 10. So it is clear the common multiple. 60 you can see in two lines. Therefore, we can take 60 as the common multiple. How can we find common factors? The highest common factor of a set of numbers is the product of the lowest powers of prime factors common to each number in the set. Here I have taken 36, 54 and 60 as well as I wrote them as the products of prime factors. 2 and 3 are common factors of these numbers. Therefore, we can take 2 and 3. The multiplication of 2 and 3 as the highest common factor of 36, 54 and 60. Square numbers. If the number of dots representing a number can be arranged as a square, the number is called a square number. Here you can see dot pattern. They looks like a square. According to this picture, we can identify 2, 9, 16, 25 are square numbers. If you can continue this pattern, you can identify a lot of square numbers, more than 25. Note that 1 is also a square number because 1 we can arrange as a square. Square numbers can be written in index form we learned last time. For example, 2 times 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2, 4 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2 as well as 100 to the power 2. Triangular numbers. If the dots are arranged in rows so that each row is one dot longer than the row above, we have a pattern of triangular numbers. Here you can see the pattern. According to this picture, you can identify 1, 3, 6 and 10 are triangular numbers. In this video, you learned about factors, multiples, prime numbers, rectangular numbers, square numbers as well as triangular numbers. Thank you very much.